Claude Code is one of the best tools for writing and editing code with AI, and you can add it directly into Antigravity. Once it's installed, you can generate code, refactor files, and work across your whole project without switching apps. So in this video, I want to show you how you can install this. It's very simple. So firstly, you want to open Antigravity, and if you don't have Antigravity, you just want to basically install it from their website. And then we have to click on extensions on the left side. And in the search bar, simply search for Claude. And it's going to show you this Claude Code for VS Code. So you want to install this one. So click on install and it's going to install. And after that, you should be able to see this icon on the left side, which says Claude Code. So I can open it. Here we can click on a new session and it's going to open Claude Code. But firstly, if you are installing this, you will get some three options where you have to log in with your account because you can't use this for free. You need to have at least Pro plan on Claude in order to have this. And you are going to just simply log in with your account which you have on Claude, and then you can start using Claude Code in Antigravity. So it's that simple. You can also close this agent if you don't want to see this, and you can also open this Claude Code like this. And this is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.